Hello, welcome to my channel. We will do question number 2, chapter 1, mechanics. Okay, a car is traveling at a speed of 15 meter per second when the speed limit increases, and the car accelerates at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square until reaching a top speed of 30 meter per second. Find the distance covered uh, until reaching top speed. Okay, so we will be doing part A. Let me choose the color. Okay. Okay. So remember I will use the third equation. 2as is equal to uh, v squared minus u squared. So from here s is equal to v squared minus u squared over 2a. Okay. So v was the final speed. That was 30 meter per second. Right? So v square minus initial speed was 15 meter per second divided by 2 times acceleration was 3 meter per second. So this number is calculated as 112.5 meter. So it will take this much distance to accelerate from 15 to 30 and at this acceleration. Okay, so this was part A. Now part B is that the more challenging, which says once the car is at top speed, there's a set of traffic lights 600 meters away. The car maintains 30 meters per second until it starts to decelerate. So basically what's happening, at some time, the car speed becomes zero, stop at a signal. So in last some time, its speed decreased from 30 meters per second to zero, right? And its deceleration was 5 meter per second square. You can call negative 5 meter per second square, right? So we need to know that how much time it will take during the deceleration to go from 30 meter per second to zero speed, right? So how I will calculate the time? Remember, here this equation that v equals u plus at, right? So if I take the time, if I multiply the value of t, it is going to be v minus u over a. Okay, so final speed was zero, initial speed was 30 meters per second, and acceleration was minus 5. Why do I put minus 5? Because the acceleration was such that speed was reducing, right? So it will give me 6 seconds. Right? So this period is 6 seconds when car deaccelerates from 30 meters per second to zero speed. Okay, now how much distance it would have covered in this period, right? How much distance it would have covered. So again, I will use the first formula. The distance is equal to v squared minus u squared over 2a. But in this case, the final speed is 0. Remember before we said the final speed was 30 and initial speed of 15 because it was accelerating from 15 to 30 and now it's going down from 30 to 0. So my final speed is 0 and initial speed is 30 and acceleration is how much of it? How much did I say? 5 meters per second square, right? So, and of course it is negative 5 because it is decreasing. Okay, so on the top I have 900 and on the bottom I have minus 10. So it is going to be 90 meters. Okay, so in the last 6 seconds, when the car was deaccelerating, it traveled a distance of 90 meters. Okay, total distance available was 600 meters because when it was it saw the satellite 600 meters away. So, how much is the distance? How much is the distance uh, from 690? So 600 minus 90 will give you 510. What is 510 meter? That first on the distance scale, right? First 510 meters, it was going with constant speed. Okay, and then last uh, 6 seconds, but it's not. Yeah, sorry. Last uh, 90 meters, right? Its speed reduces to zero. Okay, so for 510 meter, it was going with the constant speed. So how much time it would have taken? Time is distance over speed. Distance it has to travel was 510, and its speed was uh, sorry, speed was 30. Yes, it was going constant speed of 30. So that will be 17 seconds, right? So total time would be 17 plus 6. So this is 23 seconds. Is it clear or no? You see, um, when the driver saw the set of light, it was 600 meters away, right? So for first 510 meters, it kept going with the same speed of 30 meters per second. So it took him 17 seconds. Okay. Now last 90 seconds, he started applying brake and he reduced from his speed from 30 to 0, right? And it took him 6 seconds to stop from in making the speed from 30 to 0. So it took 6 seconds. So this is the 6 second period in which car was deaccelerating. So total time it will take is 23 seconds. So once when the set of light was 600 meters away, from that point to having stopped at the set of light, it took 23 seconds. I hope it's clear to you. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.